Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Samsung A35. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And now click on this button to skip introduction, and then click not now and click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and then you can click back and then click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.